Alright guys, today we are doing a wear test on the LYS Skin Tint Foundation Stick. I am wearing the shade DN3. Again, this is the LYS Skin Tint Foundation Stick. We're doing a full day wear test on it, and it starts right now. Alright, so going in with the LYS Triple Fix Serum Skin Tint Stick. So this is their Serum Skin Tint Stick in the shade DN3 Caramel. And I'm just gonna swipe it on. I was really impressed at the ease of application. And so I thought that was amazing, and it does feel very nice and lightweight on the skin. And look at the blend. I mean, it takes no time at all to blend it in. And I think the shade match is like right on. And I like to stipple. It's the best way to apply the foundation in my opinion. All right. And now let's go in with their bronzer stick. This is the No Limits bronzing stick in the shade Honest. Spreads like butter, I'm telling you, it's like the easiest, blends so nicely. Look at that color. The tone is so pretty. Right up my alley. And let's get this all blended out. Such a pretty tone. I did put it on a little more intense this morning. We're just going sun-kissed. But look at the color. Oh, that's beautiful. Let me take my foundation brush. I went a little too heavy here, but look at how easy it blends back. Oh, that's beautiful. Great job on this, Tisha. Very, very pretty. Blends very nice and easy. All right. So that is the face so far. And let's see, I'm gonna blend this up just a touch. Just taking out whatever is left on the foundation brush. All right, I'll be back with some, I'm gonna throw some eyeshadow on the eye. Actually, before we move on to some shadow on the eyes, let's do my Holy Grail concealer, Sarah Creel Face Flex, shade 7.5. Just put a little bit. This product is very hydrating. Don't worry about this. I will go back over that with the bronzing, the brush that we had the bronzer on to make that uniform again. I went backwards. I usually do my concealer before my bronzer. the brush that I used for bronzer. Let's just touch it here and here. All right, that looks good now. Now we're gonna take their powder. Where did I put it? Let me grab the powder. All right, this is the LYS True Enlightenment Soft Focus Finishing Powder in the shade Strength. She looks like this. Sonia's TF1. And I'm gonna buff. It's a finishing powder, so it's meant to buff. It's not a setting powder. I think it looks great. All right, let me grab a blush. All right, for blush, I'm gonna go in with my Hung Van Gogh blush in the shade Legacy. And I'm gonna take this brush. It's a Sonia G brush, collab with Chikuhodo. And I'm just tapping it in. And I like wearing my blush on the high points of my face. So we're giving ourselves just a little something. So pretty, I love it. All right, and I think I'm gonna forego eyeshadow today. We're just gonna do the wear test on the foundation. This is the Tower 28 Make Waves Mascara. Keep it nice and light today. Usually I put loads of mascara on. We'll keep it nice and light today. All right, we're doing a check-in. It is now 10:43, and the only thing that I see is around my mouth here. There's no breaking up a product here, but there is a little bit here. Let me see if I can just smooth it out. And I mean, the lines are natural lines, so it's not even that serious, but I just wanted to show you all that. Otherwise, I'm loving the way this is looking. I'll check in with you guys at the end of the day. I forgot, I've been wearing this foundation for over 8 hours now. It's going on 8.5 hours, and this is what the skin is looking like. So I'm calling the wear test complete. If you're looking for a new skin tint, get it in a stick. The LYS Serum Skin Tint Foundation Stick. Have a great one.